It's time for a struggle challenge, and something tells me this is going to involve chicken. Let's see what we've got today. I'm saving my giblets for soup stock, but I read that I'm not supposed to add the chicken livers because of their strong flavor, so what else can I do with them? Livers are definitely a strong flavor, and there are recipes that both celebrate this unique flavor and others that mellow it out. I guess the question is, what other ingredients do you have, and how many livers are we talking about? All right! That's a lot of livers. I'm not entirely sure what I want to do, but I do know that I would like this to appeal to people that don't even know that they love liver yet. So let's head over to the pantry and see what we've got. Let's have a look in the fridge, and we've got... Liver has a really strong flavor, and if we use some cream and butter, it'll mellow it out. Thyme, onion, cream. I think we can make it even fancier. Back to the pantry. Pate on crackers. I think it's brandy. It's gonna be fantastic. I'll cook off the livers, mellow out the flavor with some cream and herbs and onion, hit it with a little bit of our brandy. The other thing that's really important is that it's super smooth, and I just need one thing. Hang on one second. Mrs. Robinson.
Yes, dear.
Can I borrow your food processor?
Well, there you go.
Thanks so much. We better get started. I got a saute pan. We're gonna a little bit of heat, just warm it up. Let's have a look at these livers. So I'm just trying to pull some of the moisture off. Butter is gonna start capturing that very metallic taste and mellowing it out. Salt. I'm gonna be pretty aggressive. We're just gonna saute our livers right in the hot butter. I'm just gonna start letting that cook out. We've got an onion. Just wanna break things up enough that they cook evenly. I know it doesn't look super delicious, but don't let that get you down. Gotta trust me, it's gonna be great. Thyme, gamey and intense flavors are always mellowed out by thyme. Some black pepper coming in. Livers are going right into the food processor. They'll keep cooking through. I'm coming in with more butter. All right, we got our onions. Some salt with our onions, help draw their moisture out, intensify their flavor. Got a little bit of ground clove here. The nutmeg is definitely going in. This is smelling fantastic. The onions are cooked down. We want to get even more flavor in there. We need two things. The first is some eye protection. Brandy. So we're gonna take it off the flame. I'm gonna pour a little bit into our pan like this. We will... Da-da-da.
It is so good. It is going to be so delicious. There's no way around it.
Fantastic. Now we're just gonna have the deep, dark flavor of the nuanced barrels that this stuff was aged in. So we've got all of our flavor coming in now. And now I'll puree until smooth. So we should add some cream to slowly cool and homogenize the whole thing. This looks great. It is wonderful. I'm gonna cover these up and stick them in the fridge until I can spread the pate with a knife like warm butter. I'm gonna convert some people into believers. Our pate's been hanging out in the fridge, and hopefully now it's spreadable. It occurred to me that I forgot to put a thin layer of oil to seal the whole thing. Plus, it looks really cool. We're definitely losing points for that. Now, visually, how does the pate look? Here we go. It's clear that I used a little bit too much cream. Visually, not very appealing. This is a 6.5 for looks. Flavor, let's see where we're at. Great catch. Very delicious. My big problem right now with the taste is actually the texture, because I didn't add enough butter. It needs more butter so that it can set up, but the flavor is strong, and I give it an 8 on flavor because I'm so close. That adds up to 14.5, which into 20 is 72.5, which is a C-. But hopefully you can see the basic steps and go for it. I love a good chicken liver pate. Thank you very much for this challenge. And if you've never had it before, I hope now you've become a believer.